Today's lesson, the learning objective is I can find the problem and solution in a story. Your materials are whiteboard and marker or pencil and paper, and your learning time is just about 5 minutes today. Let's talk about the vocabulary in this lesson. Problem and solution are the two words we'll need to know. A problem is the thing that's in the way. What is keeping the main character from getting something they want or accomplishing a goal, or what goes wrong in a story. Those are all ways to think about the problem in a narrative. Solution is how the problem gets fixed in a story, how the main character accomplishes their goal, or how things become right in the story. So right over here, we have a problem. Problem is, the girl's in the rain. She doesn't like it. She wants to be dry. She wants to be happy, but she's having the problem of having the rain, right? The rain is keeping her from being warm and happy. Well, what's the solution? Looks like a friend comes along and helps her by offering an umbrella. So, problem and solution are our key. So, our objective is to find the problem and solution. So, let's talk about the steps to do that. To find the problem in a story, you need to ask, what does the main character want? And then ask, what is keeping the main character from getting that? So, let's practice together finding the problem in a story. Remember, the steps are ask what does the main character want and what is keeping the main character from getting it. Tomas wanted to ride his bike. He went outside his house to get on his bike. But when he got outside and looked at it, he saw that he had a flat tire. Tomas knew that he couldn't ride his bike with a flat tire. So what is the problem? Take a moment and see if you can figure it out on your own. Pause the video and see if you can figure it out. Write down your answer, please. Okay, so welcome back. Tomas, he wants to ride his bike. That's what he wants. What's keeping him from getting it? Well, it has a flat tire. So the problem is Tomas's bike has a flat tire. Okay, now let's talk about how to find a solution to a problem. Ask, what's the problem? And then ask, how does the main character stop having that problem? So let's reread and then continue. Tomas wanted to ride his bike. He went outside his house to get on his bike, but when he got outside and looked at it, he saw that he had a flat tire. Tomas knew that he couldn't ride his bike with a flat tire. So Tomas found a tire pump in his garage. He pumped up the tire until it was full of air. Then he rode off on his bike. What is the solution? So take a moment, ask yourself, what is the problem, and how does the main character stop having that problem? Okay, the problem was he wanted to ride his bike, but he had a flat tire. Solution is he pumped up the tire full of air. Okay, now that we've gotten to see that done, I want you to do it on your own in two ways. First, I want you to watch a video read aloud of Prudy's problem and how she solved it. Write down the problem and solution in the story, and join the Zoom with your teacher to get some feedback. After you've done that, there's an independent practice for you to try on Canvas.